So this is the Dura-Glo, Dyna-Glo, sorry, Dyna-Glo 23.8 BTU kerosene heater with a Voda thermoelectric heat operated fan. And it's sitting on top of the safety cage. The fan is about 5 inches approximately above the top of the kerosene heater itself. And yeah, it works fine. I think only about 2 minutes after I set it on there, it started running, and it's moving some air, warm air around the house. So if you ever wondered if these heat fans would work sitting on top of the cage of one of these Dyna-Glos or Dura-Heat or all these other different names they use, yeah, it sure will. So enjoy.